if you go back to zero and have only a new Etsy store, what's your plan to back to where you are now? So if I went back to zero and I only have one Etsy store, what's my plan to get back to where I am now? Really, I think the first thing I would do is open up like 5 more Etsy stores, 10 more Etsy stores. That's the first thing that I would do. I would open up loads of Etsy stores. You can't just have one Etsy store. You need to have multiple. Best way to do it. The reason why you need to have multiple is you don't want to put all of your eggs into one basket. So you don't want to just be selling in one niche, because maybe that niche is just a bit shit. Maybe it's seasonal and it only works in the summer and it's now winter, you know? You don't want to put all your eggs into one basket, okay? So I'm going to get as many stores as I humanly possibly can, okay? I'm going to aim for at least 10 stores, potentially going more towards like 20 and 30 and even like 50, right? Just to get the breadth out there needed to make a lot of money quickly, okay? Just more stores equals more cash. Simplest thing ever, right? And then what I'm going to do is on those stores, I'm just essentially, I mean, I have the knowledge of which niches are the best, right? But telling someone else like the best way to do it is I would go home favorites. I would do one store in this niche, one store in something in home decor, you know, maybe, let's find something kind of cool. This is a really interesting product. If I can find something similar to this thing right here, I'm going to list that. I'm going to steal every product from this guy's store right here. You know, anything similar that I can find on AliExpress, I'll try list this stuff, and just do something in every single niche. You know, like what I mean by this is I'll do one store in this, one store in this, one store in wall art, one store in kitchen and dining, one store in furniture, one store in area rugs, one store in lighting, one store in bedding, one store in storage and organization, one store in home improvement, one store in bathroom. And the strategy that I follow is I would get listings up. I would wait the 14 days so that I'm now allowed to use Etsy ads. And the second I'd use Etsy ads, I'd put the budget to $10 a day, right? So by that point, I would have 14 products on there because I'm listing one product a day. $10 a day on the ads, okay? I'm then initially not going to focus on profitability. Initially, I'm just going to focus on getting money in and getting sales coming in and getting reviews coming in, okay? Once I get those sales and reviews around the 100 orders point, I'm then going to scale down my ads, you know? This may take me probably 2 weeks after starting ads, getting 100 sales, less if it's a really good product, maybe a week. Sometimes even if it's a really insane product, really good niche, you don't even need to run ads and you'll reach 100 orders. So yeah, that's what I would do.